Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into why 95% of diets fail and how you can succeed with a revolutionary method in 2025. Most diets are too restrictive, complicated, and unenjoyable, leading to yo-yo dieting and frustration. But what if there's a better way? A method focused on sustainable lifestyle changes that actually work. Stay tuned because that's exactly what we'll be uncovering today. Let's get started. So why do so many diets fail? It's a question that plagues many of us. One of the biggest culprits is unrealistic expectations. We often set goals that are too ambitious. We're bombarded with images of rapid weight loss from magazines, social media, and TV ads. These images lead us to believe we can achieve the same results quickly, without considering individual differences. This sets us up for disappointment and makes it easy to lose motivation when we don't see immediate results. Another reason is the lack of sustainability. Many diets are not designed for long-term success. Many popular diets are extremely restrictive, making it hard to stick to them. They often cut out entire food groups or severely limit calorie intake, which isn't practical for most people. While this might lead to initial weight loss, the results are usually short-lived. It's not sustainable in the long run, and people often regain the weight they lost. Our bodies need a variety of nutrients to function properly, not just a limited selection. Depriving ourselves can lead to nutrient deficiencies and intense cravings, making it harder to stay on track. Think about it. How long can you realistically live on a diet of cabbage soup or grapefruit alone? Not very long. Many diets fail to address the underlying reasons for weight struggles, such as emotional eating or stress. These factors play a significant role in our eating habits and overall health. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to weight loss. Everyone's body and lifestyle are different. Instead of focusing on quick fixes, we need to make gradual, sustainable changes that fit our individual needs. This means adopting healthier eating habits, incorporating regular physical activity, and addressing emotional factors that affect our choices. True health is about making choices that nourish our bodies and bring us joy, not just about losing weight. Let's focus on a balanced lifestyle that we can maintain in the long run. Let's shift our mindset towards sustainable changes that promote overall well-being and happiness. Now let's delve into the psychological factors that play a significant role in diet failure. Our emotions can have a powerful influence on our eating habits. Stress in particular can wreak havoc on our best intentions. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, increasing appetite and cravings for sugary, fatty foods. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels elevated, leading to overeating and weight gain. Emotional eating is another common issue. We often turn to food for comfort when feeling sad, anxious, or bored. While finding comfort in food is normal, it becomes problematic when it's our primary coping mechanism. Developing a healthier relationship with food involves identifying triggers for emotional eating and finding alternative ways to cope. This could include exercise, meditation, or talking to a therapist. By addressing the root causes of emotional eating, we can regain control over our food choices. It's essential to cultivate self-compassion throughout the process. We all slip up from time to time, and that's perfectly normal. The key is to avoid dwelling on mistakes and focus on getting back on track. Sustainable weight management is about progress, not perfection. Introducing the 2025 method, a sustainable approach to lasting change. This isn't just another fad diet, it's a complete lifestyle overhaul. The 2025 method addresses the root causes of diet failure and empowers you to make sustainable changes. It all boils down to three key pillars: personalization, balance, and sustainability. Personalization. The 2025 method creates a customized plan that works for you. Balance. Say goodbye to extreme calorie restriction. The 2025 method emphasizes balance and moderation. You'll learn how to nourish your body with whole, unprocessed foods while still enjoying your favorite treats in moderation. Sustainability. The 2025 method focuses on making gradual, sustainable changes to your eating habits, exercise routine, and mindset. This means no more yo-yo dieting or feeling like you're constantly on or off a diet. The 2025 method is about creating a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle. It's about making peace with food and developing a positive relationship with yourself. Let's dive deeper into how this method works. The science behind the 2025 method: evidence-based strategies for success. What makes the 2025 method so effective? It's backed by solid scientific evidence and research. Years of rigorous studies and trials have gone into developing this method, ensuring that every recommendation is rooted in proven science. Personalized nutrition studies show that personalized nutrition interventions are more effective for weight loss and improving health markers. By tailoring dietary plans to individual needs, the 2025 method ensures that you get the most out of your nutrition. The 2025 method considers your physical, psychological, and emotional relationship with food. This holistic approach helps in addressing not just what you eat, but also why and how you eat. Balanced macronutrient distribution research suggests that balanced diets are more sustainable and effective for long-term weight management. The 2025 method emphasizes the importance of a balanced intake of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. The 2025 method emphasizes a balanced intake of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. This balance helps in maintaining energy levels, supporting muscle growth, and promoting overall health. Mindfulness and behavior change. The 2025 method incorporates principles of mindfulness and behavior change. By being present and aware during meals, you can develop a healthier relationship with food. By addressing the psychological aspects of eating, you're better equipped to make conscious, healthy choices. This mindfulness helps in reducing overeating and making more informed food choices. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. The 2025 method prioritizes whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are rich in nutrients and free from harmful additives. Numerous studies link diets high in whole foods to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. By focusing on these nutrient-dense options, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Sustainable lifestyle changes. The 2025 method emphasizes gradual, sustainable lifestyle changes. These small, consistent changes are more likely to be maintained over time, leading to lasting health benefits. Research shows that slow and steady weight loss is more likely to be maintained over time. This approach reduces the risk of rebound weight gain and promotes a healthier relationship with food. The 2025 method is grounded in science and designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools for lasting changes. By understanding the science behind nutrition, you can make informed decisions that benefit your health. It's about understanding the science behind healthy living and applying it to your unique circumstances. This personalized approach ensures that the strategies are effective and sustainable for you. Let's explore practical tips for daily life. These tips will help you incorporate the principles of the 2025 method into your everyday routine, making healthy living a seamless part of your life. Implementing the 2025 method: practical tips for daily life. Now that you understand the principles behind the 2025 method, let's explore some actionable tips. 1. Start with small, sustainable changes. Focus on making small, gradual changes. These changes are easier to stick with and can lead to significant improvements over time. For example, swap sugary drinks for water. This simple change can reduce your calorie intake and improve your overall health, or incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your meals. These nutrient-dense foods can help you feel fuller longer and provide essential vitamins and minerals. 2. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. This means eating when you're hungry and stopping when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Slow down while you eat, savor each bite, and avoid distractions. Eating slowly can help you enjoy your food more and recognize when you're full. This helps you become more aware of your body's signals and prevents overeating. Over time, this practice can lead to healthier eating habits. 3. Plan and prepare your meals. Planning your meals in advance can help you make healthier choices. It also saves time and reduces the temptation to opt for unhealthy options. Set aside time each week to grocery shop and meal prep. Having a plan in place makes it easier to stick to your healthy eating goals. 4. Find an accountability partner or group. Having a support system can make a world of difference. Find an accountability partner, join a support group, or work with a registered dietitian or health coach. These individuals can provide guidance, support, and motivation to help you stay on track. 5. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Good sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as yoga or meditation. These practices can help you manage stress and improve your mental health, such as yoga or meditation. Regular practice can help you stay calm and focused, making it easier to stick to your healthy habits. 6. Listen to your body and be kind to yourself. Remember that everyone's journey is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body's signals and honor your hunger and fullness cues. This can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and honor your hunger and fullness cues. This practice can lead to more mindful eating and better overall health. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your successes, and don't let setbacks derail your progress. Every small victory is a step towards your goal, and don't let setbacks derail your progress. Remember, setbacks are a natural part of any journey. 7. Focus on progress, not perfection. Sustainable weight management is about making progress over time. It's not about being perfect every day. Don't get discouraged by occasional slip-ups or setbacks. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. View them as learning opportunities and keep moving forward with your healthy habits. Each step forward is progress, and keep moving forward with your healthy habits. Consistency is key to long-term success. 8. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory worth celebrating. Recognize your efforts and reward yourself for your hard work. Implementing these tips can help you seamlessly integrate the 2025 method into your daily life. These small changes can add up to significant improvements over time. Remember, it's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain for the long haul. Consistency and patience are key. Let's embrace this journey together. With dedication and support, you can achieve your health and wellness goals. Outro: embrace the 2025 method for lasting change. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and insights. Achieving sustainable weight loss and optimal health is a marathon, not a sprint. The 2025 method provides you with a roadmap to success by addressing the root causes of diet failure and empowering you with the knowledge, tools, and support you need. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and never give up on your health goals. You've got this.